earlier. Let's go.
You're out of frame.
I'm out of frame. Awesome.
I think it's just this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
We're in frame.
We're never in frame.
Right, we have a plan for today.
No, we don't have a plan for today.
Hello, if anybody has arrived to our stream yet. Very welcome.
Did we change? Yeah, we got twig mechanic. Okay, so you actually do have that. That's good.
Mm-hmm. I've been fixing.
I've been fixy. So what was it that we said we were going to do today?
I think we can start by playing the game because you haven't played it in a while.
No, I haven't.
And I've been coding all morning, so.
Well, I've been designing all of the levels, so you know.
Yeah, and a cool logo we haven't put in yet.
No, we haven't put that in yet. We'll just, yeah, there you go. Oops.
Maybe we should maximize
on play. Yeah.
It's a bit of a tiny play window.
It's like, where is it? Whee! Okay, let's do that. Yeah, so we've got this little intro thing. I'm not going to ruin this for everybody, so I'm not sure how to. There you go.
I set it to space.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we finally have a level 1! Yay!
The game has an intro, a menu. Yeah.
And I'm trying to sneak past the guards. Really, really sneaky. No, this was broken earlier on, so I'm not entirely sure it'll still be broken or not. It's hovering off the ground!
It worked.
Yeah, but it's hovering off the ground.
I thought it looked alright.
So now I can't go any further because we haven't made the twig mechanic.
Yeah, we need to implement
big
this.
ass like twigs here. Did you make it bigger?
No.
It wasn't that big. I think you made it bigger. Because I don't think I can quite sneak past that. Nope. Nice try, but no cigar. Yeah, busted.
You feel busted?
I feel busted.
Busted rhymes?
Yeah.
Alright, it restarts the level correctly, so that works.
Yeah, so that works. Yeah, this is just like not happening. I'm not going to get past that. I mean, even if I had skills, I mean, I'd have to jump off, the hedge and everything.
Let me show you a trick for how we can do this.
Okay.
Let's pause the game. Let's go into here, find the guard, and turn him off. That's how you win the game.
Yahoo! I don't think everybody would have access to it to be able to do this. But the hole is off the ground.
It looks fine. We just put some stones and pebbles. Whoa.
Yeah.
Well, that was not intentional.
No, that was definitely not intentional.
Is it just stuck like that?
Yep, I'm infinitely stuck.
Oh.
In a hole.
Yeah, because I put it to like suck the player in.
Suck the player in? That sounds so dodgy, Krister. No.
Well, and I guess that didn't really work out.
No.
We need to probably fix that
Winky
as well.
is very upset about this. You know, she's looking up just like, you can't suck me into a hole. No. I'm not joking.
So it seems like we're getting more tasks by playing the game.
Yeah. That was just on level 1.
Mm-hmm.
But I hope you didn't... Oh no, because we were in play mode. We didn't disable it properly. Okay, that's good. So...
You didn't like it being off the ground. I don't see the problem with that.
Huh? Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm not getting anywhere.
Press F.
Was it F, was it? Oh, yeah, okay. The wind zone. Wind zone. We love the wind zone. We love the wind zone, don't we? It's the wind zone has the arrow. It doesn't have the arrow on it. Yeah, we love the wind zone. We love the wind zone.
I like it a lot. I thought it was a good name.
Wind zone. Wind zone.
Are you bullying with the naming?
No, I think it's a great name. It's a wind zone. I mean, where else could you go? Should we try and fix that problem first since we already found it?
Yeah, why not? I think the issue might be the fact that you have obviously not seen the script because I made it today.
Oh, no, okay, no. Yeah.
If you look at the wind zone, if you open up the exit, yeah, like...
No, it's that one.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, okay.
If you look at the wind zone script, it's very dodgy code. But it did work a little bit when I was coding it, and I thought it worked, but apparently not. Basically...
We lost a viewer because of the fact that you said it was dodgy.
Well, that's what we get for bad programming. We need to improve on this. There's a trigger around it.
Oh, yeah, okay.
And on the trigger enter, we check if it's a player. And when the player enters there, we just say if it has one, and then in the update loop, we suddenly start... if the player is far away from the wind zone, you just suck the player towards it. And we also lock the player input. Yeah. So, yeah, that's how
That didn't apparently work out. What actually did happen? Can we disable that guard and see what actually happened again? We disable Mr. Guardy. No, we weren't on level 1, it was level 2, wasn't it? Level 1 it worked.
Yeah. But what we can actually do to make it maybe actually work everywhere is just increase that a little bit, like 2.5.
Okay.
That might actually fix it.
Maybe try and see if it should just go back onto level 2, I think.
Mm.
Let's just play, maximize on play. I would hope it would work. There you go.
For those just joining, welcome to our stream. We're working on Game Jam, which is 2 weeks long, and we're now in the final week, so we almost have our finished game.
Yep. And also finding lots and lots of bugs which we need to fix. So.
Yes, and this is Agent Squeak. And
this isn't Agent Squeak, this is Agent Wingles.
Well, the main character, yeah.
Yeah.
Mission Squeak.
It's Mission Squeak is the game.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just disable this guard for the time being. We can have easy mode game. No guard, you can just walk through and it's going to be amazing. But at the moment we're trying to test out if the exit actually works because it was not working. We were getting sucked in and
Let's see.
Yeah.
Well, you get sucked in.
You get sucked in, but it doesn't go to the next level.
Well, oh yeah, actually it did. See, there's an error.
Oh, object reference to an instance of object. Okay, let's see what happened there then.
I double click that error and I say, yeah, if that one throws an error, it means it worked. It just, you need to start the game from the main menu. Otherwise, the level
Can
loader...
we like try and fix that for testing purposes, or do we have to go?
No, I don't.
Do you want me to test from every like start of the intro screen just in order to find out if there's a bug?
No. Okay, but the great...
It worked. Okay.
That would have gone the next level, and that does work.
So it's if I start... Oh, shoot. Nope.
Save
first. So if I go to the intro,
yeah,
and I do play it, there you go. Yeah, okay. For debug purposes, this is not fun. The guard is gone. Gone easy mode, and
yeah.
Okay, we're into the next level. There is no guard. Thankfully, we can just get away from this all. Be like, yeah.
Yeah, guard disabled.
I cannot disable some of the guards for testing, I think. Okay, and then it still went into the ground, but it worked.
It was kind of like you were digging through the hole.
Yeah, it was.
That's tight.
Yeah, I've been navigating around this really well. You can do it, but...
I haven't tried that level.
Okay, now I think I cannot get through this.
No,
unless I get the squeaky bone.
I don't even think it works with the squeaky bone. We have a bit of...
Oh, that is so cute! Oh,
I have to put a new model on. It became a bit big, but yeah, it looked
kind
of
of
cute.
Yeah, but I mean, it looks like an actual bone. It's like, oh no.
No, you need to place it much closer. Yeah. I think this level is actually impossible.
Why is it impossible?
Because we might need some type of cover for the player to hide behind while they place the bone. Because you tried to place it and then the guard come and spotted you right away.
Yeah, but didn't we mention that we were going to make the guard's vision a little bit less, remember?
Yeah, we might want to do that. And also increase the player speed.
Yeah, the player speed, definitely.
Because you walk a bit slowly.
I think I can do this. Oh, shit!
But did it work? We don't know. Oh yeah, it worked.
Yeah, it worked.
He's gone.
Oh, no.
So let's take a look at what... Oh, I can't take a look at what happened. But yeah, it seems like you managed to distract him.
I managed to distract him, but the other one was coming at the same time, so I had to really be skillful.
But I think also the distraction needs to last longer.
Yeah.
It's 5 seconds.
Yeah. But the thing is, if we speed up the character, I think that will be better. So like right now, it's like, okay, because I think the player is just too slow. Yeah.
Cold.
Yeah. Should we maybe increase that player speed whilst we think about it? Yeah.
Right away.
Where did we put that again? Player movement. Yeah, move speed was 1.5. Should we increase that to maybe 2?
Just try the 2.5.
Let's put it at 2.5.
Yeah.
Then we're going to have a Spedici. I can finally say Spedici.
Let's hope so. We don't speed up the animation though, but I think that'll be fine because you don't see the legs
No, I
sliding.
don't see it. I'm gonna take a tea break whilst I press start. Come on, Agent More treats. I like Agent More treats. We need to fix it.
Whoa!
That was a lot faster.
This feels like easy mode now.
Okay, maybe we should put it at 2. Oh, we'll see, because, you know, I got rid of that card.
Nice.
I see. Okay, that's still a bit weird, but yeah. Now this might be a bit harder, actually, because, yeah, did it.
You got skills for this.
I don't have skills. I've been playing this for
Maybe
far too long.
at this speed you can just run straight past.
Maybe.
Just
Let's just try it. I don't think so, because they're, like, timed at a perfect... No, you wouldn't be able to. Because you would get hit there. No, I'm not getting busted. You can forget that. I'm gonna get the bone. He is. Right, he's gone. He's gone. Ah, run away, run away, run away. I hope I got him detected. Yeah. Oh, no. Did that not work for long enough?
No, I think it was too far away.
No, it hits.
No.
It's not hitting. Okay.
I think we maybe need to increase the radius on that. Oh shit. Yeah.
I got busted. But I could still drop the bone.
I thought I turned that off. That, like, as soon as you're busted, you can't even drop the bone.
Oh, well, I mean, how on earth is the guard supposed to take... Yeah, I mean, he's going to steal it off you, you know?
Yeah, I guess
You've got to drop it, otherwise he won't let you go.
Go. Place the distraction. Go around. Oh, he's distracted. Go, 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 go.
We did it!
Oh,
We
yes.
did it! We did it! No,
All
I
right.
can't remember what the... Oh, this is the 5th level.
Final level. Up for a challenge.
Okay, he just goes... Does he go backwards there? Yeah, he goes...
I don't think this level is completable.
I got the bone, the squeaky bone. I got the bone. The bone is helpful. I think we need to increase the radius on the bone as well.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to make it too easy.
No, but we want to make it complete. Whoa, that was close.
I'm just gonna leave that there and run away.
Yeah, you're gonna get busted on the right now.
I think if I just go around this guy, I think I might be able to.
What? You are so skillful.
I made this level.
I was thinking that you're gonna walk right, but no, you took a left.
I did it! I did it! I did it!
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
That is sparkly.
Oh, look at that. I haven't seen this yet.
Actually, there's nobody watching right now, so I'm not watching the final ending. But it is feasible.
Yeah, well, it was completable, but it was a bit too easy because you didn't have to solve it the right. You actually did the wrong solution.
Did I?
This is the game plan. And you're supposed to place the bone there.
Oh, well, I
not
placed
the-
it there, but I still managed to get through, and there should be more than one option, is what I'm thinking. So you could have actually placed it there, distracted one or two of them, and then gone round. But we're supposed to have it that you placed it there, and you went round, pressed... No, not pressed on that one. No, I can't remember.
Good old pen and paper. Yep. No, but, yeah, I was.
So it was feasible. You just have to die a few times to realise what you're supposed to do.
But it was player speed good.
I think the player speed was better, but maybe a bit too fast.
Yeah, but it was kind of nice to be that speedy. You know? Like I find it really annoying when you need to like go around slowly.
Yeah, or you don't have a shift button.
Yeah, because we don't have sprint.
No.
We can leave it at 2.5 and see how playable the game is.
Yeah, I think so. The thing is also, we have played it and we know all the mechanics. We know how it's going to work out. Probably somebody else who's picking it up might not have the same thing.
Yeah.
You know, because I knew where all of the guards were, so I knew that I could get past it. But somebody else wouldn't be, because you can't see it, it's all high hedges.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, there's no vantage point.
No.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure. I think we just have to play test and get some feedback.
Yep.
But that will be for tomorrow. We're making builds.
Yeah, either tomorrow or the day afterwards, because we still got to get some music in. But we probably should get a build up in general. Well, I guess we'll just get started on this tweak mechanic because that's the only thing that's really missing.
Well, yeah, or at least one of the major things.
Yeah. But I guess we should probably go... Does level 1 have it? No, it's level 2 has the tweak mechanic.
Yeah, and it needs to have enabled its guard again.
Nope. The guard will never come back again.
Right.
The guard has been given a bone and he's going somewhere else.
Right.
Treat. So, we were talking about the fact that we were going to be using an overlap sphere.
Yes.
In order to get it.
But I think I changed my mind on it.
Okay.
We're going to go much cheaper and easier.
Okay.
Because we have implemented, that the bones aggro.
Oh yeah, using the same script?
No, not using the same script because they behave kind of differently, but they can use the same technique. And it doesn't use an overlap sphere.
Okay. What does it use then?
It just takes all the guards in the scene and measure the distances, and then if they're close enough, it triggers.
But are we going to have anything visual?
Yeah, I think we need the same visual, don't we?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm just going to move this around because it helps a bit.
But I guess it needs to happen much faster. You step on the twig and go like...
Yeah, I think so.
Right, because you place the bone and it goes like...
Yeah, but that's because that's supposed to be like scent, whereas with twig it just goes, like...
It goes at the speed of sound.
Because the speed of sound,
Yeah.
We're going to go with that. So if it goes at the speed of sound, we also need to have a sound for this.
Yeah, but for the time being, we'll just make it 10 times faster than the other one.
10 times faster than the other one. Okay.
That'll be speed of sound for this game.
So yeah. So we have treat pickup.
Yeah.
I guess we should make a new script for this.
I'll just look at treat pickup first and let's get familiar. Like, what does this one do? Whoa. What does this one do? I wrote that
10 hours later.
When did I write this?
2 days ago.
Yeah. I don't remember
So
it.
you've got here, you set the aggro radius, the radius max of the speed that it's going to be going at, and how far it's going to go. Yeah, so then you set the aggro visualization here. Find with tag player. Why is it getting find with tag player?
That's just to get the player movement script because we use it somewhere else.
All
that's just setting some references.
Yeah, okay.
And also the player mount point is, the pickup of the mouth, which I had to do that funny deep find. It's terrible, but it works.
Okay. Oh yeah, because we're using another person, model and.
But it would have been the same problem anyway. But we tried it without that, but then we need to hook it up manually to each of them, and that was messy. So, now we you can see where that is used. Yeah, it's used on line 56 to turn the player movement off and things like that.
Yeah, okay, for when it's spotted. Yeah, that makes sense.
No, actually, it stops working.
Yeah, stop input. There you go.
Yeah, like if anything has happened, it's not gonna keep running. It's gonna stop running.
So this grows the radius.
Yeah.
Then we're aggroing the nearby guards. If there's any. I'm wondering as well in general whether the aggro radius was a little bit small. Because of the fact that you have to be super speedy otherwise.
Yeah, if you look up.
Yeah, I saw you had the setting here.
Try 4.
Yeah. Because I was like, you had to be really close, which I think is okay, but maybe it's a little too close. And we can tweak these things later as well.
Maybe we should make the growth speed slower, so it's kind of like long warm up, or is that boring?
What I'm thinking is that might make it a little bit too easy.
Yeah.
And I don't think that's going to be so fun. Before we about it in.
Jeg vet ikke.
Okay,
2. But if we look at the guards on line 25.
Guard on line 25, yeah.
That's my cheeky approach to instead of using an overlap sphere.
Okay.
Physics overlap sphere, we're just fetching whatever guards are in the scene, and then you can see down at line 43, we're looping them.
Yeah. Okay.
So that's the replacement of the
cheeky overlap.
Yeah.
Overlap sphere.
Obviously, what this one wouldn't support is if there was more guards being added to the scene later. But I mean, this is a simple game, so it works to do it that way. So, I think that's an okay approach.
Yeah. So I guess we'll do that again with the twig
I'm wondering if we could make this kind of behave for the twig.
Or utilize the same script.
Yeah, could be like modify the script to just be the twig script. Or do we want to write a new one? It's a bit messy if we're going to use the same one.
Yeah, because one of the things I'm thinking about as well is the fact that the treat has particular, like, you know, it kind of has the angular radius going out, and like the twig itself is going to be like really fast.
Yeah,
and it's just going to alert the thing. I think that might be best for us to actually
use
make it a
scripts.
separate script, which is just like specified just for the twig, really.
Yeah. How does this script end? Like, what is below line 50? Is it ending?
Late update. Yeah, it's just to make sure that you stop the player.
There's the pickup mechanic. So like, you can press space. Yeah,
that's the space. That's the space button.
Yeah. Then you pick it up and you carry it around. And then it's the toggle pickup.
Yeah.
So basically, we just need the line 50 and up.
Really, yeah. And then we just need to like adjust it because we're not going to be having the pickup range, really.
Yeah, you need a pickup range, but instead of a pickup, it's going to be like a trigger range where you you step onto it and it will make the.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to do this thing called copy paste. Because we're going to be cheeky today.
Yeah.
This is going to be So let's make a new script attached to the pile of twigs. Get a pile of twigs.
Sounds good. We can also try to add touch in.
Okay.
Start with that. I'll
That's
talk
new
later.
Script. Twig. What did you call the other one?
Treat
pickup. You call it.
Call this twig aggro.
Twig aggro.
It's an angry twig.
It's an angry twig. We love angry twigs. Last time we had an empty brain, you deleted the empty brain.
Sorry.
Krista deleted the empty brain.
They just had to go when we redid the detection mechanic. I just noticed something here. We have a mesh collider there without any mesh, so you can certainly delete that component.
That's probably my fault.
Yeah.
So I was adding those the other day.
You were adding them everywhere.
Yay! I love adding mesh colliders just because mesh colliders.
And performance, whatever.
I have a fast computer, you know?
Yeah. And so does people playing the game. They have to have a fast computer.
And if they don't, no, you're not going to play. Right, let's just hello, copy paste.
Okay, let's rename the treat pickup. Let's start with that.
To twig. Aggro.
Yeah. Should we try to strip out as much as possible? We need a pickup range.
Yeah.
That's fine, but it's not a pickup range. Should we rename that to trigger range?
How do you rename it against F2?
Yeah.
Yeah, trigger range.
Yeah.
Trigger range. Yay.
And we can keep radius, the speed. Obviously, we want the speed much higher. Let's just try it at 20 or 10.
50.
Okay. I'm happy now.
Yeah.
Start with initial radius. Okay. Radius of 0.1, that's fine.
Yeah. It's picked up. We do not need.
No. And
rigid bodies, aggro visualization. Do we have that anywhere?
Yeah,
that we need.
But the rigid body, where is that used? This you double click it.
Yep.
And then scroll through the script
get component rigid. That is all it's used for.
Delete it.
Yep. We shall delete it. We like deleting.
We have
to anybody who's joined the stream. Hello.
Yes, welcome to the stream. We're having fun doing game dev of our game jam game. Mission Squeak.
Mission Squeak. Yeah.
It's taking shape.
Not Agent Squeak, as Krista called it earlier.
Yeah. We're trying to implement the twig you see on the screen there. When you step on it, that it aggros any guards in the vicinity around it. Guards being the dog in the top left you see there.
Guard.
And we're going to hopefully get that working today, as that's one of the stealth mechanics.
Hi, Hero Max. It's nice to see you again.
Ooh, yes. Welcome back. Nice to see you. Very nice having you last time as well.
Yep. We've made a lot of progress now. So we actually do have levels, 5 levels. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, since we streamed last Tuesday,
yeah,
a lot has changed.
Yep. We might have panicked a little bit, realising we were running out of time. So we were like, yeah, we're going to do lots of stuff.
Yeah. And we were all doubling down on work.
Yeah.
But it was fun though.
Yeah.
And it's really
fun,
fun seeing how it's shaping up. So that's fun with the small games.
yeah.
Should we carry on with our script?
Nah.
Nah.
No.
We don't need any picked up statements.
No, so I'm going to get rid of that. Just, can you tell me where that squirty is? I guess it's not going to.
It's not like VS Code.
There you go. I know. That's what I struggle with.
What?
I thought you wanted me to get rid of all this picked
No,
up.
just if statement.
There you go.
Well, actually, no. Undo. I just came to think about. So you step on the twig,
Yeah.
and only then does it start growing its aggro radius,
Yeah.
and then it's gonna stay for a little while and then disappear.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And with the bone, we had like where you place it down, and then it grows the radius. Obviously,
Yeah.
we don't want picked up, but we want something else. We're like, is triggered or something.
Or is stepped on.
Call it that. Yes. It's stepped on. Make it clear as possible.
Yeah, it's understandable. It's stepped on. You know?
Yes, and now
It's just like empty brain. I'm going to continue with that. But then we need to declare it up here, surely.
it's in the state there, I guess.
Just, does it need to float or just
A
a bool?
bool.
Bool is a bool. Is it true or false?
It starts
It's-
with false, I guess.
Yeah, I would assume so. Unless we make it so that every single twig is stepped on automatically when you start the game, and it's like, oh no,
One knows.
oh no. Yeah, so we were going through this, so we got that one fixed. Player movement, transform player mount.
Let's see where
pointer.
they're used. Are we using them? Delete.
Yeah.
Delete everything that's not in use. Yeah, delete.
That is definitely not in use. Oh yeah, because this is all for the thingy, isn't it? The thingy.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
that's
that
in
is
use.
in use, yeah.
Right, now we have a much more simplistic script here.
Because now we have the aggro visualization.
Yeah.
That's gross if that is stepped on.
Mm.
And that will aggro the nearby guards, which is correct.
One thing we need here is the transform.find aggro radius. We need to make that.
Where do
This
you
obviously
see that?
doesn't have it. Line 23. It's
Yeah,
looking
okay.
for something which doesn't exist at the moment.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
So since last Tuesday when we streamed, we have read on the what like detection looks like. Obviously, we were using like a box collider
Yeah.
and whatever entered into it and stuff like that. But now we're actually doing raycasting and making a proper like mesh of
Yeah.
where they are and stuff like that. And that visualization, I was working with shader for it yesterday.
Yeah, actually, we can actually show it. Well, no, we can't. Let's go back on that. We can't show that. Sorry.
No, not today. Well, a bit later, maybe.
Today is not that day.
Yeah. No, but what I'm trying to say in Unity, you can probably like find the bone and duplicate that one's aggro radius or something.
Yeah, where is the bone is?
It's called treat, isn't it?
Oh, it's called tree. What?
Yeah, the function of the twig, I should probably explain better,
It's picked.
is that you're supposed to be able to distract a guard with it, or it can be used as a disadvantage where a passage is blocked.
Yeah.
So you walk onto it and it would aggro a guard nearby, alert attention because of sound, and you get caught. But it can also be used to your advantage by distracting someone with that
With the
sound.
guard,
So that's the plan with the twig. It's a bit like the treat mechanic, which we haven't shown yet. Well, we were showing
Well, we
it
were
like,
showing it earlier, but
like 20 minutes
not
ago.
anymore.
But the treat you can carry around in place and stuff. This one you just like step on and it's happening.
And it's kind of like in the world, so you can't avoid it. Whereas at least with the treat, you can pick it up, and then you can take it to some other location, so you can distract the guard.
So yeah, that's the plan. It's a bit more of a simplistic one, and that's why you saw us like having lots of code and just deleting because we just copied the other
Copied and
script.
pasted, yeah,
Yeah.
very much. Yes, we've got is picked up on this.
Yeah,
There.
that's fine.
I don't know whether we got
No,
that. We don't have that. Oops, sorry.
Yeah, because what we want to inside of there if you drag it into the scene, because we need its child. Where's
Oh,
your
the
children?
child.
Aggro radius, that's the one.
Oh, yeah, okay. Can I just duplicate with Control D?
Yeah, and just move it out.
Move it in here?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh, man, it won't let me. Damn it.
How do you do that in Unity?
Can I just copy paste?
Maybe, try.
Let's just, like, copy this. Whoop,
P.
P, that was it. That
Yes!
worked. Yes, that worked.
When copy paste supports you.
Copy paste is always our friend.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I gotta apply it. No, it did already. Okay.
But in the
Delete that.
delete the entire thing. We're not gonna have it, are we?
No.
But now we can probably make it a different color. I'm thinking.
For the aggro radius?
Yeah, and you can turn it on as well.
Yeah, that is true. It is an aggro button.
Wait a second. Yeah, you need to reset this transform.
It's all the way over there. Okay.
This
Yeah,
zero
where's the
it's in
position,
position.
yeah. And then move it over to it, or just leave it there.
Is that 0.0 in the twig?
Okay, so yeah, I messed up that one. So yeah, about that. It was the first item I made. So yeah, I think I probably have to
You just move all the twigs down to the 0.0 then.
That is a branch. Oh, do I just write it in here? No.
Well, I was just thinking you can just move them.
Yeah, but they're in a prefab.
Doesn't matter.
Just move them all over to here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, that was a great idea. It's not quite there. Let's just get ours. I think is it below the ground now? It's fine. Oops.
It looks like it's below the ground. It's
Is it below the ground? It is below the ground.
But try to take the parent and move that one up so we have that one at least in some sensible position beforehand.
The parent? I mean this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's first of all do that. Yeah, okay. I think that seems sensible.
Yeah, apart from floating twigs. Pretty good.
Floating twigs! There you go. Right, but then we fix the twigs now. And let's just move them down. I've got the twigs, yeah. Winky is leaving. No, no, she's in her bed.
Excuse me.
Where is Fluffy Marines?
He's fallen over in the background.
Oh.
He's sleeping.
Yeah, there you go. Now I fixed it. That's a lot
that looks
better.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Should we keep it blue or should we like make it yellow or something?
The thing is, it's something bad. Maybe. Nah. I think maybe keep it as blue.
Yeah, it's consistent with the other one. Because they're both aggroing.
Yeah.
So we can stick with blue.
What do you guys think? Blue, red, yellow, some other color?
I don't think they know what we're talking about because they haven't seen it.
No.
We
Well, Hiram does, yeah. Oh no, I don't know.
maybe we haven't had to display it very well yet. But basically, this one will grow out like that to aggro, and this is like the little color for it. Guess that's as decent as explanation as I'm gonna get. Atrocious.
Do you have a visual of that? No.
So we have red for the guards and blue for the
Damn it,
other
no,
stuff.
Yeah.
Let's try to fix it then.
Yeah, so we can actually show it. Keeps complaining about this one.
Just make another squirrel bracket, I think.
Is it?
Yeah, let's try that. More squirrelies. There we
Yay,
go.
more squirrelies. Probably works now.
I have no idea if that script's gonna work. Whoa!
Well, we have a mega radius.
Well, I think that worked.
Well, we didn't step on it and nothing worked.
Yeah.
There's a guard, yeah. Well, he's not distracted right now. Winky also agrees.
You agree, Winky? Was he not distracted?
That's a pretty big radius.
Yeah, but that's correct, because
Yeah.
it's supposed to reach him.
That's true. Yes, I'd forgotten that, yeah.
So that's fine, we just need the radius to not be triggered beforehand and then trigger afterwards.
Because you had on the other one, the setting,
Yeah,
the
but
serialized field.
It's picked up, and now you have made it is stepped on, but we have nothing which makes it stepped on.
No. Oh yeah, so we got to put it on the serialized field, surely.
But why is it growing if it's not stepped on?
If it is not-
Play the game again. Don't maximize.
Oh, sorry. I'm
Yeah, why is it like growing all the way?
Maybe it's because it's enabled.
I don't know.
I think that's why.
Maybe.
Because previously on the bone, it's disabled.
That is true. I don't know why. Don't remember why.
Well, it's not enabled now. See. Dun, 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 dun. See, I know we clicked. No, it's not stepped on yet.
We haven't made a mechanic for that. What are you expecting?
But I'm pretty sure that one was disabled on the bone.
Yeah, I think you're right. I saw it being turned off, but yeah.
But it. Let me drag in the bone. The treat.
Reference.
Yeah, because that one is picked up there as well.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't have that. But I guess that's because the player needs to know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was to expose it to the player so you can put it onto the mouth and carry it around.
What was that? Carry it around?
It goes like this.
Yeah. I'm just going to apply these because they weren't ended. Yeah. So if we go back in here.
Do you have any clue what you're thinking?
I'm thinking that we first of all need to find out if it's stepped on.
Yeah. So we need like on trigger enter or something, or are we going to measure the distance to the player? Let's do on trigger enter.
Yeah, I think on trigger enter.
Yeah.
So,
you remember this?
nope, I don't remember this.
You can just like between the start and update or below update, make a new function. And you can just start writing on trigger enter and it's going to auto-complete the rest for you. There you go.
There you go. Yeah.
Ta-da!
Not permanent private, I guess.
You can,
Yeah,
but
okay.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'll just do it like that. Oh yeah, because we made that the last time, didn't we? We made the collider thingy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But does it have a mesh collider or anything?
No, well, the thing, we need to put a trigger on it.
Yeah.
Which I don't think we have a trigger.
No, I don't think we have a trigger, we just have that.
Yeah, just create the sphere collider, maybe.
Sphere collider?
Yeah, those are cheap and quick. What should we do? Mesh colliders.
Mesh collider!
Yeah, let's make it a bit smaller.
Yeah.
Radius like...
Oh
Yeah,
my gosh.
great idea.
Yeah, well,
Just pull the radius on it instead.
where is it? Oh, there you go. How do you do that?
You can actually, the text radius can be pulled.
Oh, I can do this even.
Mm-hmm, that's what I meant.
Well, I think it needs to be like there, because that's around the twigs. What is what?
Or should we do a box collider? Because I think
Yeah.
the twigs are a bit of long and it's a bit strange that it goes so far out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boxy collider. Let's just delete this one. Remove. I really.
You love this one.
No, I don't. It just loves to not work with me. Yeah.
I think we need to be a bit forgiving with the shape of it.
Yeah.
So you don't like accidentally touch it all the time.
Well, can you miss that twig?
Yeah, because the player is butt is big and fat.
Excuse me? Okay, now I just gotta change the height.
I think that's gonna work. Yeah, that's fine. You can't jump in the game, so...
Yeah. There you go.
I think we're onto something here.
Yeah, I think so. Yes, we've got a collider now at least. I need to drink cold.
For everyone just joining us, we are working on some crazy game jam. 2 weeks long, and we're in the second week now. We're getting towards the end, and we're trying to implement. This will be the final mechanic of the game.
The rest is trying to like fix everything else so that you don't get detected by the guard straight away.
Yeah,
pretty much.
So we get a bit absorbed in our work, but say hi, and we'd love to get to know you. And yeah, we will crack on with this twig.
And make sure to drink tea.
Yeah.
Or coffee. I mean, if there's any coffee drinkers here.
Coffee or tea, guys? What do you think?
Tea.
Always tea. Yeah. I was converted to tea after studying in Swansea, in Cardiff.
In the UK, yeah. We like our tea in the UK.
Norwegians aren't that much into tea. They're
like their
coffee people, but I was converted. Where were we?
Yeah, we were basically made a box collider now.
On the other, we can do tag comparison to check if it was a player on line 27.
Oops.
I think it's like if other dot compare tag or something.
Was it that? Yeah, it was. It's not with the square thingies, is it? The little
No. It's just as a function, and it takes the string of player.
The string of player. Whoa. There you go.
Yeah, because we have a tag called player, and then just like make that if statement, and we can probably make that like. We should probably make is stepped on.
Yeah, sorry.
Make is stepped on a float.
Instead of a bool.
Yeah, because I'm thinking that when you step on it, it should be stepped on for like a certain duration of time. So in this trigger enter, we can make it like stepped on equals to 5f.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
And then we will reduce that time until it's negative, and then it's not stepped on anymore. So you can start that at 0.
0, yeah. Like that. I'm just going to fix the bug count because Winky's hiding.
Winky hiding. We have dog cam issues.
There you go. Hey!
Wow, I'm not caught.
Hey, listen!
It didn't do anything.
Don't steal. No steals.
Sorry.
Should have like a steal function.
Oh, we have a cute dog cam. Oh, you guys. You're the best. Yeah. Right, I just added in greater than 0,
yeah.
but you need to remove the exclamation.
Yeah, because you're not going to say it's not stepped on, it's more than. No.
Mm-hmm. In JavaScript. Which is good, because that would get messy.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, so if, so basically, if it collides with the player,
Yep.
we are going to get it to do stuff.
Yeah, we just set the steps on value to 5 or something. Let's try
To
that.
5? You think so?
5 seconds.
So, let's do that.
Yeah.
5F. So?
Yeah.
Will that really work?
We just have to try.
Just have to try it, okay.
No, this is not going to work. Because we don't reduce it anywhere. We just set it to 5 and then we just leave it.
Yeah, but I mean, we can do that after, so you can see if it first works,
Yeah, okay.
and then stop it afterwards.
Go for it.
Yeah. That's a great thing. You get a reward from just like, you know. Or not. We have...
Oh, did we not make the collider a trigger? No. We made it. It's trigger. I do that mistake all the time. Like, I'm just gonna add a trigger here. Nope, can't walk into that.
Yeah, it worked, but it went so speedy. I mean, you don't really see the difference.
I didn't see it happen.
No, I didn't see it happen either, but it did happen because you can see over here.
There it is.
There is the outer rim. But I think it went, let's just try it again.
No,
I think it went super fast.
Turn the speed down.
Yeah, where is the speed again?
You set that to like 25 and I was like, put it lower.
Let's put it to 15 then.
Well, okay, let's try 15.
15 is reasonable.
We'll
25 is unreasonable, and 20 is a little bit in the middle.
Let's see if the game agrees with you. That went still too fast.
Way too fast.
Let's try it at 5.
Yeah, we can set that at 5.
So you walk in the twig, it grows like a radius of what it aggroes, which is the sound, so you can visualize the sound in the game. And, well, it's kind of, I think we should just make it slow. Is it even changing?
I don't know, it felt like it wasn't. Aggro radius speed.
It's multiplied by delta time. Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah. Let's just put it to like 0.5. But also it's going to have a sound, you know, tied up to it, so you can hear something's happened.
We just don't have the sound yet. Oh, it's working.
That was way too slow.
Right.
Okay, let's put that to like 2.
What about 3 or something? I think 2 is the original value from the other one.
Probably. Was that fast or was that slow? We do not know.
Yeah,
that's better.
That feels
that's a lot better.
Like the right speed.
Yeah.
And
but now we need to disable it, and for how we need to have a set duration, or is it just going to be like super fast? And then
yeah, I think actually once it's grown to its maximum radius, it should stop maybe. So that's why we shouldn't.
Yeah.
Maybe it was wrong of me to suggest the Boolean, no, the floating number and all that stuff.
Yeah, because once you step on it and the radius goes out, that's going to alert any guards which are around.
Yeah.
But then it's not gonna like shrink again. You know, it's just gonna disappear.
It's going to disappear, which is
Yeah.
what I'm thinking right here. We say, while the radius of it is smaller than the maximum radius that we go into, we keep increasing it. Otherwise, we can just stop it. Because then it means it's, greater than the radius.
So then we just put it stepped onto...
It's 0.
Yeah.
Let's try that. Oh, thanks for the follow, Speedy Tech Live.
Thank you.
Very nice having you and joining the stream.
Yeah, say hi, people. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, we have a lot of viewers right now. I've been so absorbed in the coding. So,
Everybody loves my is stepped on variable name, that's why.
well,
Just like empty brain.
Just like Empty Brain.
Just like empty brain.
Was that on Sunday or Tuesday?
It was on Sunday, yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Speedy Tech Live.
Oh, hello. Yes. Should we make it back to a Boolean then?
Yeah, I think so.
So, bit back and forth.
Hope it's going well. Yeah,
Yes.
it's going really well. How is everybody today, anyway? I think that yeah.
Our game at least is going pretty good.
Yeah.
We have made 5 levels. I haven't
Yeah.
played most of them. You've been designing some of
I've
them.
been doing them, yeah.
But I've been working on some mechanics.
Nobody saw it around. I managed to do an entire run and did not lose once. And nobody was watching. I was really upset. But
But you were disabling some of the guards.
one guard.
Because you're missing the twig mechanic, which we're currently implementing.
So bool to false. And then we need to set to true here.
Yep.
And then we need to set this to is not.
Well, it is stepped on.
Yeah, if it is stepped on.
Yes.
Yes, that's right.
It was wrong there earlier.
I think so.
Mm-hmm. Now I approve. We can see if that works then. What's going to happen then once it's grown out?
Well, it's supposed to attract the guard, but I don't think it went far enough to attract the guard.
I think it actually does, but I think, we haven't set anything to happen for it when it...
Hello!
Yeah, it does get to him. It just nothing happens with him.
He just stays there.
So he's supposed to come towards the twig then.
Yeah.
Right.
But I thought that you already had set that with the treat pickup.
Yeah, but apparently there's some bugs down at line 46 and onwards.
Yep, line 46 and onwards is bull.
I have no idea. I understand that code, and it looks correct. I have no clue why it's not working.
Is it maybe that it's not hitting him? Like in terms of maybe the... What do you call it? The aggro radius circle is not hitting him.
It doesn't care, that's just a visualization.
Okay.
So if you take a look at the in range thingy there,
In range.
at line 49,
There, yeah, okay.
that one is supposed to obviously trigger to true and then set the guard's aggro to the transform position, which is the twig's position, which makes the guard go to the twig.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can probably log out what's going on there.
Yeah.
That's probably a good idea.
Down here or?
Yeah, should we like log line 49, but not the... Should we log the magnitude section?
Yeah, okay.
Just from... Yeah, you get it.
So just from this area?
Yeah, that section. So see what that one says. So that's going to tell us the distance from the twig to the guard.
Let's see now. So I'm also wondering where the visualization is maybe not working correctly.
Yeah, that might be as well.
Maybe I should not maximize on play.
Yeah, so we can see it in...
Yeah. Sorry, now everybody has a small window to see the game.
Yeah, we got the window above. Yeah, so it says 6.6. And I have no idea if that's correct or not.
No.
But if you look back in the twig aggro script, our radius, if you go up, is actually set to just 4.
Yeah.
So it seems like the visualization moves further than the...
Yeah.
And it might actually be related to... Let's just have a look here. Aggro
That
radius. That's one set to 0.5 and 0.5 scale.
Yeah.
Which I think makes it 1 unit in size.
Yeah, makes sense, yeah.
1 meter. And here we're doing that but we're multiplying by 2. I don't know. That was correct on the other script. Because it was a radius and we wanted diameter or I don't know, something.
I mean, if like... Oh, shoot. If we just move the twigs closer, like here.
Yeah,
we'll
but
probably
I'm
see.
wondering if you should undo and remove that multiply by 2. I think that's the mistake.
Here?
Yeah. I think so.
Let's see.
So, anybody watching today working on some games themselves, or what are you up to? Be nice to hear about cool projects.
No, it doesn't go far enough.
Yeah, that's probably the correct radius then.
Probably is.
Right, so that's probably the... Or should we actually check? Can I just click around?
Click, click, click.
If we like look from above, you can quite easily tell sometimes, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so that's 4. Right, we have a cool link to Pinterest.
This is what I had to deal with.
All right, but I'm gonna open it here. Let's see, Speedy Tech. Oh, I gotta sign into Pinterest. I said sorry, can't find the link. Actually, not
So maybe because it says NZ.
New Zealand. I don't know. Nope,
No.
it says sorry, can't find that page on Pinterest. But I'll have a look if I get a working link.
Oh, shit. Yeah, well, because you said when it's...
Not being dumb. Pinterest is tricky, isn't it? I find always that's so confusing.
Yeah.
And especially the links around there. Never get them working. Just increase the radius to like 7 or something, right? Because we know he was 6.6 away.
That is true, yeah.
That's why I'm suggesting 7.
Right and naked, okay.
Hello! How do you think I can pronounce this? Sociophobia biker? No, social
Full biker?
faux biker. It's like social faux biker, yeah. Nice having you on the stream. Thanks for joining us.
You can try and click the link.
I'm going to try that link now.
Yeah.
Let's try this Speedy Tech.
Winky has fallen out of her bed.
Is she toppling out?
She's toppling out.
Oh, it's okay. No, that link still doesn't work. I'm not sure what to do with that. I think that's the same link except it's .com. I tried to switch to .com earlier, it didn't work. Yeah. Well, we'll carry on.
Reddit programmer humor comment.
Aha, here we go.
There you go.
This seems cool. Reddit is the best. It's not easy. It's taken a while to load.
Your laptop is slow.
Hey, don't blame it.
But yeah, it worked.
It worked.
Yeah, I got
Oh, yeah,
busted. I got busted by Mr. Guard.
the aggro actually did.
It did work, yeah.
Why are we not celebrating?
Because I didn't realize until now.
Awesome.
Yeah, so because I did this here, like yeah, and then it goes out there. No.
All right.
Away.
Run.
Gonna get that. I'm gonna get
You
that.
can beat that level now.
Yeah, I can finally beat the level.
Awesome. You walk past him.
But not because that doesn't work. But when I did get seen by the guard, I think I had the same restart level thing. Is that because I didn't start from the beginning? Is that?
Maybe. Yeah, it's the same thing. It doesn't restart the level. You managed to get past him.
Hello. Does he reset?
No, he probably does.
Object reference not accept.
Yeah, let's check out what that's the bug is. I just had a quick look at this Reddit link, and it's not opening properly for me, is it? I think there's something wrong with my browser here.
Yeah, I think it is.
Sorry, it's not loading properly for me.
No.
Yeah.
Speedy Tech Live, you're gonna have to tell us.
You have to just do the whole explanation.
Yep.
So this ain't working.
In emojis, preferably.
Yeah, just emojis. That's a challenge. Right. We have that working though. Almost.
Yeah.
But we should probably...
That was the bug?
Yeah. Yeah, he didn't know how to walk back home again.
No.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because look at it. He asked, what's my next waypoint?
And he doesn't know where it is.
He doesn't have waypoints. He's not patrolling.
Oh no. Yeah, okay.
Which is probably fine.
For some, but not for the others.
Yeah. So some guards patrol, and when they're done with their distraction, they walk back to their next patrol point. But other guards don't have a patrol.
But then maybe I should end up actually having a basic point, surely.
Is the solution to add in patrolling?
No, because that's going to be like 2 other levels are going to be defunct otherwise.
Yeah. I don't think that's the answer.
No. I was thinking more about it as the fact that you could like set a default position, but no. I guess we're going to do anything else.
Yeah, I'm just wondering like what's causing it to happen in first place, because we go down here, we set the guard's aggro. When the guard's aggro happens, let's see now, it's a function here somewhere, set aggro, and he goes towards it, and he has like, okay, there's lots of weird stuff here. It's done resting at aggro point, going to next waypoint. Yes, I love these comments. And
that's when he starts setting the waypoint index, but if he doesn't have one.
Yeah.
But also as well, even though he's just standing there, he doesn't know the position he's at.
Could we just do like you suggested, maybe make
1 point?
1 waypoint.
Yeah.
Let's see. It was a guy looking into the distance. He was trying to think of a meaningful variable name. Much funnier when you see it. Okay. What are the hardest things about programming? It's naming things and cache invalidation and off by 1 errors.
Yes.
And man, cache invalidation.
Oh,
always get caught up on that one, especially in web development. But even in game as well, I notice it. Trying to make things efficient and then suddenly this all breaks.
Yep.
But yeah, naming things. And that's why we ended up with empty brain as one of our variable names last time.
It was my legendary naming.
Well, it was a suggestion from Twitch, wasn't it?
No, I came up with it. And then everybody told me that we should keep it.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's how it was, yeah.
That's what this is. I was keeping the same stuff as all the other ones. But we only need 1, so I'm going to get rid of that. And I don't understand why it's not showing there.
Probably because your gizmos are tiny, but that doesn't matter.
Gizmo, oh, there it is. Okay, there you go. And then we need to go onto the guard.
And hook up that waypoint, yeah.
That waypoint. There. Did this order here.
Should we... No, okay. Let's see if this works. I think he's gonna... Yeah, he... that worked perfectly. What should we do about that?
It's a feature, right?
It's like he's.
We don't want him to patrol.
Oh,
we could do it that if they only have 1 path, they don't patrol.
Auto braking.
What on earth is that?
That worked.
Oh, that worked.
Right.
But we just need to get him in the right direction now. Or is it just because of the fact that...
You're working for a website for school, and I got to fix my navbar. Ooh, nice work. Web development is tricky. That's what we
do, yeah.
We do a lot of that as well. As well as now we don't do a lot of game dev. We used to do game dev like 4 years ago, but then we took a break.
Yeah, we did, yeah.
But now we're back into game dev. Oh, your navbar doesn't work. Just gotta keep at it, doing that CSS and the HTML.
Yeah, CSS.
It's fun.
We love CSS, but CSS doesn't always work.
Doesn't always love us.
Yeah.
That's how it is here. But we can turn the auto braking on for the guards which are supposed to stand still.
Yeah, but he still kind of moves the...
Yeah, just set the points to exactly the same point.
Oh, yeah, okay. So, position 171.
And let's make that 10.
This 10?
Round them off a little bit, yeah.
And put this to 2?
No. Yeah, for example.
Yeah, actually that works.
Yeah.
Okay. So, 2 and... Oh, well, we're quite close on that.
Yeah, seems good. Nice, now stand still. And now we can aggro him and he will walk back hopefully to point 1 and he will know what to do. Run away. Oh, he walks away. Yes, we can now run off. And just don't finish the level.
No, I'm not gonna finish the level.
See if he returns.
10 hours
Suspense.
later. He returns.
Nice.
In the wrong direction because I was standing in it. Whoops.
Yeah.
Totally not my fault. That actually did work.
Yeah, he doesn't face quite the right way, but
He does. It's just because of the fact I was in the aggro range.
I think he was going to face a bit wrong. But
Well,
does it really matter?
Nah, not really. Unless you completely fail at it and don't do it right like I did. So, whee!
Play and replay a bit more.
I'm just gonna go like right over here and be like, I'm hiding.
Hide in that corner.
Totally hiding. Totally hiding.
Okay, he comes back. And he's slightly turned left. But that's maybe okay.
Yeah, I think that's fine. As long as I'm not.
It's acceptable. We don't have any facing.
Yeah. And then that's gonna bug out because.
Yeah, but then we have that working, I guess, in a way.
Yeah, but that means that on level 3,
Yeah.
where we have all of our little dudes here, they need to all have auto breaking.
Yes, good thinking. I forgot about that.
And all need to have their own paths.
Start learning Python is so indentation sensitive. That is the main reason my code breaks. Well, it takes a while to get used to the indentations of Python. I've been doing lots of Python in the past. I used to do that in university as well.
You did, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, personally, I started loving Python towards the end. But you just got to get past the indentation. And I was like, hey, not spaces and tabs and don't combine the two. Yeah, it gets messy, but it's a really fun and productive language to work with, I find.
So yeah, you recommended my brother to learn it as well, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think Python is a great language to learn for people starting out programming. It's very versatile and flexible.
Yep.
But it's terrible if you're trying to write apps. Don't do that.
Yeah.
And you can do some games, but the big game engines doesn't support it. So.
Oh, Python?
No.
No, okay.
Which is why we're writing a C#.
Well, that's true, yeah. Yeah, but there are a few like visual novel ones that use Python.
Yeah, the big game engines. Not the
yeah,
visual
big
novel game engines.
Sorry. What are the big game engines?
Oh,
like
you
Unity,
know.
Unreal,
This
Visual Studio Software.
That's my two best friends.
Really?
Yeah.
You have two best friends?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, totally.
Are they Unity and Unreal?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Good to know. I need to take a break.
Okay, go for it.
So
I
need to fix out these paths for these little guards.
I'm gonna play our game a bit.
Yeah, but you're gonna break it on that one.
All right. You have a good time then, Speedy Tech, and good luck with your coding and your. Yeah, it's 2 a.m.
Whoa.
What time zone must he be in?
What time zone are you in?
Here it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So is it like Monday morning? But yeah, thanks for the good luck, and you have a good day.
Yeah.
And I hope to see you again. So thanks for the follow earlier.
Bye bye. Oh, you're in New Zealand. Okay. Yeah. That
explains a
far
lot.
away as well.
Right.
But hope you have a good night.
Yes.
I'm taking a toilet break.
You go, girl. Monday morning, 2 a.m. Thanks for joining the stream, man. We have this level here. So, in this level, the intention is that there's lots of guards around and you need to avoid the twigs. Obviously, all the twigs are gone because we were fixing the prefab earlier, so they're all below ground level. Claire's gonna love that. I guess we can just set them all up to position 0 and that's gonna work. Let's move them up. There we go, almost. Yeah, they're supposed to be like that or something. It's the level layout here. Yeah, need to do some work on this level. It's very basic. And not a very like challenging level once you know what to do here, but it could probably improve upon what the level feels like later. I'm just gonna try to play it and see how it goes. So yeah, we have all the guards standing patrol, and they're blocking your path. If I step on this twig, oh, we have sea fighting. Oh wow, that is ugly. They probably shouldn't be at position 0 then, but a little bit up. I moved up all your twigs, Claire.
Fixing my paths here.
Yeah, all your twigs were underground.
All my twigs are underground.
Ooh, are we getting dog time?
Dog time.
Awesome.
Begynte sangen. Where is the
I spoiled little doggies.
Where is the singer? Sit.
Oh, that's a happy little chi.
Gina. Engage. Sit. Back. Back. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, take it. Fine, Morris.
Morris is off. Have you seen a tail like that fast before? We need to like implement a button in our game for like tail speed.
Tail speed, yeah.
Look at it. It's like,
Oh.
yeah, you're cute.
Yep. She's kind of hiding there, but she's fine.
I fix.
I fix.
Yeah. Come on here, little cam girl.
So
Little cam doggy. Right. We were.
Yeah, we were doing the paths. Did you manage to fix them all? Did you?
Well, ish. I played the level quickly, got caught by guard, etc.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. I mean, oh, it's okay, Krister.
Oh, I didn't fix all the paths.
Yeah.
No, that I didn't.
I'll just put -5 here. No, I don't like that.
Yeah, I've tried to round off the numbers a bit.
What on earth? You are in the ground, mate. There you go. So, whoa.
Sorry, just a fixing.
I'm pouring up now. I can't copy these, but I want all of them.
She's quite dexterous with her little paws. See where I get that game inspiration from.
Yeah. I have magically lost the waypoint. It's over there. Damn it. As it wasn't. Yeah, okay. Of course.
You getting lost in your transforms?
I'm getting lost in my transforms. That is just. What on earth is
Is it because the parents transform aren't reset? So that's 0. Is paths 0? Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
I don't know. So,
well, fine, and we will make you inaccurate. I just can't see the thingy, is it because I'm not zoomed in enough?
you can turn the gizmos larger
How do you do that?
to pull
Oh,
that little.
This one?
Yep, that button.
Yeah, I think that's large enough.
Plenty big.
And now it's hovering over the ground, isn't it?
But is the guards maybe parented into something which is?
Oh yeah, they might be. Yeah, that's why I can probably take them out then.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
haven't done cleanup on this really, unfortunately.
So that's why our positions are all weird.
Yeah, okay, that would explain it. Yeah, because I thought it was a bit strange.
Mm.
I should put that to 3 maybe. 2.9. There you go. I don't know which guard I'm editing now.
I lost track.
I'm editing that one. Whoops.
Well, that's fine. He's quite alright position, isn't he?
Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where their paths are. Probably this one. I don't remember. I should have got it. 2.9. Why do I feel like there's 2 of them on top of each other? Oh, mean. Did I move one?
You'll get it.
I think I moved the wrong one in, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Oh. Wait a second. 3, 2.9. I'm having a bit of a slow Sunday.
Don't worry. We'll eventually have this
path
level
A.
working.
Path B. Path A will go to this guy.
Is there any other game developers in our stream watching? Or whatever people are working on? We love all kinds of creative work, really. So
Yay.
it's nice to hear what people are up to. We had quite a bit of variation.
350. really hard to remember all the numbers.
You can do it.
I can do it.
Stay focused on the task.
So I'm like, try not to get distracted.
I'm going to take this opportunity to do my thought break.
Yep. 12, 8. There you go. And that needs to be hooked up to guard 3. And all these have stuff, yeah. Oops. Oh no. Oh, you just started working with Unity. How are you liking it so far? Are you going to try doing some game jams in order to learn a bit more game dev? So social faux biker? Yeah. Yeah, having some experience with another coding language helps a lot.
How's it going here?
It's going good.
Nice.
Social faux biker, she's started working with Unity.
Alright, nice.
I'm going to get into game dev.
Alright.
But she has 3 years of Java experience. That helps.
Oh yeah, absolutely. If you know programming already, it's will help a lot getting into game dev. But Unity is a great engine to start with. Really recommend that. We were using it like 4 years ago, just as we kind of took a break from game dev, and we were like, wow, why didn't we do this sooner?
Yeah.
And we were already 2 years in development of a game with Corona SDK game engine, which didn't have an editor, and everything was written in Lua, and the game industry had done something else in the meantime. And we had to just abandon ship on it. But yeah, that's the backstory. But I recommend Unity is very versatile and fun to work with.
Yeah, and also very visual, so you kind of get the reward of, something's happening without, just staring at code all day.
Yeah. Have you participated in any game jams? How should I say the name?
Social faux biker?
Social faux biker? Need to practice name saying.
Oh my gosh, I keep getting busted.
The game jam we're participating in right now is my first game jam. So it's like intended for first timers, but there's also quite a few people who seems to be repeating. Whoa, you aggroed both of them, didn't you?
Yeah, I do. I keep aggroing both of them.
But yeah, this is like, we just started game dev, and this is our 3rd stream, so lots of fun. Yeah. And we're going to be doing these streams now every Wednesday and Sunday.
Yeah, but not this Sunday.
Yeah,
because we're not going to be available. So that's why we had to finish this game earlier, because the game jam finishes on Sunday, but we can't do that.
You got to be out with family.
Yeah.
So.
I just keep crashing into the bush.
I like how big your gizmos are.
I know.
Let's see that big camera floating around your screen.
Just run away.
All right, you.
Whoa! I actually managed it.
Nice. You won.
I actually genuinely won.
Yeah. Oh, thanks for the follow, the Atala.
Thank you.
Very nice. Glad to have you here. But yeah, just ask us about recommendations or game dev, or tell us what you're up to. Love having a chat.
Yep.
And it's really fun making games and seeing what other people are up to. And
seeing other people make games as well, and seeing the process of how you start from the beginning and then you finally get to the final game is really, really awesome.
Yeah. This game has changed a lot the last few days.
Yep. Maybe actually have levels.
Yeah.
Should I turn down the gizmo size now?
Yeah, you can definitely turn on the gizmo size.
Yeah, because you got that little bone there. Hello, the treat. I should just try from the beginning.
Yeah, try the game from the beginning.
And show everyone my cool skills.
See if you can complete it.
Yeah.
Or see if it's playable.
Sure.
Maybe maximize on play.
Probably. That'd be good. So I think we managed to finish that mechanic really. Apart from the sound.
So for those starting a game development, like the hardest thing you will do is probably scoping your game. Scoping, we mean how many features or how complicated, how long is it going to take to make this thing? You're just breezing through this.
I'm just breezing through this.
Have we made it too easy?
No, it's because I know the levels off by heart.
So that's something which takes a long time to learn. We were like starting our first game all those years ago, like, yeah, making something easy. And we didn't make something easy, and it took us 1.5 years to realize that. That's every indie game group problem, scoping. Thanks Spoony VR for 10 out of 10 with the doggo cam. Unfortunately, our other doggo he's not so
dog cam friendly.
Dog cam friendly. Photogenic, I was going to say. Oh, thanks for a follow.
Yeah, thank you for the follow, Social for Biker
and Pleb. Nice.
Yep. Thank you.
So yeah, the game scoping I was talking about. This time I think we nailed it with the game scoping. So this is a 2-week jam. We knew that we were going to lose 3 days to family, so we had to make it a bit smaller.
That sounds so harsh. It's like losing 3 days to family. I'm like, what did the family ever do?
Well, it's summer holiday. Well, for most people, except, you know, at Snuti HQ, we don't do summer holiday.
No.
Well.
Yeah, we do.
Occasionally.
Yeah, occasionally.
Right now, this is summer holiday.
Yeah, summer holiday.
So we will be mostly working on this. But we're almost done with that now.
Yep. I'm just changing this because it was impossible to do level 3 now.
We have quite a bit of polish to be able to be done. And that's also one of the things with the scoping the game, like adding polish, how much time. And often like the last 10% of the game, people say it takes 50% of the time. You're like, I'm 90% done, but 50% of the time later, you're so far from done.
Did your previous game include doggos as a recurring theme? Well, no, we had some of our previous games was fishing related.
Had a fox in it.
Yeah, we had a fox in it, but no doggos. No, I haven't. No,
but that's probably a recurring theme going forward now.
Yeah, I like our doggos. Yeah, I mean, yes, okay.
We didn't launch any games in the past because we were so poor at scoping.
Yeah. Well, we were able to do those with game jam games. Those were relatively easy, but making an actual longer game, we were pretty poor at. Yeah.
So now we like double down and gone all in for doing it right this time, and having fun with the game dev. You gotta read it out.
No,
come on, please read it out.
Okay, fine.
It's
only because you like when I say it out loud, don't you?
Yeah, but we also need to maybe adjust the dialogue a little bit. So we have this is our starting scene. We're gonna get the logo on top of there.
Yeah, and which I finished doing today. I'm so happy about that. It looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it needs to come in.
And then we have the introduction story.
Yeah. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, okay. Come in, Agent Wingles. You have an important assignment that you cannot fail. It's of a rather squeaky nature, but you must remain non-squeaky during this assignment. You are tasked with acquiring the legendary squeaky toy of all squeaky toys, with unlimited squeakiness, from the dog baron Marius von Schniffel. Sorry. He is currently on holiday and has only left a select few guards to defend his precious legendary squeaky toy of all squeaky toys with unlimited squeakiness. You must navigate the guard-filled Garden of Marius and be careful not to be spotted. Our intel shows that some of the guard dogs have stored secret stashes of delicious dog treats in strategic points around the garden. I would advise that you use these wisely. Good luck, Ancient Wingles.
Awesome. That was epic, Claire. We should make you voice over the whole thing, and actually implement it.
When I don't actually feel like I have a cold, it's probably then,
Yeah. We can adjust the dialogue a little bit.
Yeah.
I think it's a bit strange it talks about the treats, and there's no treats in level 1. scatter around in the garden. Treat this mechanic is happening on like level 4, or what level is that?
Well, I don't know. We'll discover it now because I'm gonna get to level 4. Oh,
Yeah, because it's twigs first, and here there's a treat mechanic.
Look, it's a nummy little bone.
Yeah, pick it up. Pick it up.
Come on, come on. Oh, look how big it is. Oh.
It's so cute. It's just like the doggo cam. They're a mirror image of each other right now.
Okay, I just need to not get. Okay, this is. Place it here. Okay, I'm gone.
Run for it. Use the distraction. Oh, yeah, he's distracted.
Go.
Nice. Victory.
And now I'm gonna do this level.
Okay, that's the final level.
This is the final level.
Oh, we can show the if you beat this level, the epic doghouse. I thought it turned out pretty cool. I was just adding in lots of particle effects earlier.
But you realize now, nobody is gonna play this game because they'll know exactly what happens.
Yeah, because of our 14 viewers. Well, if we get 14 players for this game, I'm gonna be very happy.
Right, should I whoosh? Okay, I'm gonna place it in the strategic point located here and hopefully run away and be able to get past.
I think this game is really tricky when you don't have the top-down view and you gotta somehow figure out what the patrols are for the guards.
Yeah, but I know them because I've plotted them all.
Yeah, so...
There you go. Ta-da!
Wow, that looks cool. I think that turned out quite nice. Like the animations of the dogs. Thank you. I can't take full credit for the dog animations because we used an asset pack for the dogs.
Yeah.
Since it's a game jam, we didn't want to spend a week working on dog animation.
And we did try to do dog animation in 2D vector and it took so much time. We were like, nope.
Yeah, it took a week just for that. And a game jam in 2 weeks, we can't do that. But we did modify some of the animations. For example, I made the pickup animation. And tried to retextured to, you know.
Yeah, so it actually does look like Winky, who's on the dog cam.
Yeah, so it has the same pattern on the fur. We've been trying to make it our own, but all the other assets we've been making ourselves and Blender.
Yeah, including the dog toy and everything.
Yeah, see how sparkly and shiny it is.
No, it's shiny. I mean, that is legitimately Morris's dog toy.
It doesn't look that much like a bone from that angle, though. Should we like turn it a bit towards the player?
Yeah.
Because it just looks like a big cylinder.
No, it doesn't. It looks like a bone.
It just needs to turn a bit, I think.
Okay, let's go on to level 5 and...
That's in the cutscene 2 called.
Oh.
It's loaded.
Okay. Oh, come on.
Also, we wanted the game's ending to be open-ended, or Claire wanted it to be.
I do want it open-ended, yeah.
Where you have all the guard dogs staring at you. Perfect. And you don't know if they're being friendly or not. But we're thinking to get their animations with wagging tails and you can interpret it as you want. That's perfect, Claire.
Is that perfect?
No, it's terrible.
I know it's terrible. That's why I'm trying to fix it. That's why I got confused when you said it's amazing. I'm like, what? It's not amazing. There you go. That looks like.
Yeah, just rotate it on the x-axis as well and we'll be happy. Because it's like skewed down like that.
Yeah, it is. I'm trying to... Nope.
That's moving.
Oops, did I get that? No. Oops.
I think x-axis is not the same because you have a globe. Just pull the red one. It's in global view. There you go. That's perfect.
And I just need to put it up a bit, maybe. So it doesn't look like it's getting absorbed into the ground.
I think that's fine.
Yep.
That's like how the game ends. It's like a cute little game jam game you can play in a few minutes.
Yeah. 5 minutes. Unless you have Claire's skill and you can get through it really fast.
Yeah.
Because Claire knew how she designed the levels.
Yeah.
Oopsie.
Yeah, we probably need to work a little bit on the patrols. Oh,
yeah.
Turn the maximizing off and play this scene.
This scene?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this one's really cool.
So I really like. I call it the Nintendo infinite walk cycle, or I don't know if you call it cycle.
I'm gonna call it infinite walk cycle. Yeah.
Yeah, where we here. This is the cutscene. So the player will be obviously walking here for as long as you want, and you press space to continue, but you don't know how long you're going to be walking there. So we placed out the level as a circle, and we just rotate the circle, good old Nintendo style, where you're just infinitely walking forward, it looks like, but you're kind of walking in a circle.
In circles, yeah.
But the player is standing still, the camera is standing still.
We're just playing the animation of the walk cycle, so it looks like that.
Yeah, and moving the world in a circle. I think that kind of works.
Yeah.
And looks, let's see. I think it looks quite nice.
I like your little, design of it.
Yeah. And this one has been much more detailed and like put grass around and stuff like that compared to the other levels. We need to go and detail those levels and do some polishing work on
Yeah,
that.
we do need to do that. Well, I just slap them in, see if they worked out. And make some adjustments to it.
Yeah. So.
Did you have a Notion open?
Yeah, we can take our task off. Let's see.
Yeah, the only thing we need to do is sound, that's it.
Yeah, we have a bit of sound work to be done. But we won't be doing that now because we don't have any audio.
No, we don't have audio from this, so yeah.
But is the duration of the different aggros okay? Like how long the guard stands and waits before he goes back to his thing? Is that working fine?
Yeah, that one seemed to work fine. Also a good example.
Try that one.
Yeah, let's try this one.
Because I was thinking that level. This one I find is a bit strange because you can aggro the guards, but you won't necessarily get... Oh, you got caught now.
Yeah. I should have maximized on play. Oops.
I see it from above. It's easier.
Yeah.
I wonder if you like need a feature where you press the button on the keyboard to see from above.
No, it's cheating. X, I got some. You're supposed to go through there.
No, well, yes, I guess so.
Yeah, you are. You're supposed to go through it.
But should we be placing more twigs in that level so you really have to like navigate?
Avoid it. Yeah, the only thing is I think that the guard's aggro is a little bit too long.
Do you have too long line of sight?
Yeah, I think so.
You can turn that down in their guard something
that.
script.
The guard...
Field of view on the far right.
Oh, there it is. Let me guess it's up here.
Yes, our dog is in the game. Hello, chai tea. Oh, you love chai tea. We love chai tea. We love all kinds of tea.
We love tea.
Yeah, we must love chai tea as well.
Yeah, and we like dogs as well.
Yeah. So yeah, they kind of became an inspiration. When we were doing this game jam, we were sitting down and like planning out 3 different game ideas. And as soon as the dogs joined us in the couch for the planning, then this idea happened.
Yeah.
Took like 5 minutes and the dogs were suddenly in the game.
And we had like 3 different ideas and we were just like, the last one we were like, we're gonna have a stealth dog game? Yeah, we just have to do that. And Winky laughed. We go to the other bed.
Where?
Yeah, it was right. Yeah.
We have an abandoned dog camp.
Yeah, I'll just put this back in again because she's got 2 bed stitches. Yeah.
It's a her or a she. It's a chi. Oh, this gets confusing.
Is it a she?
It's a chi. We also have Moritz, which is hanging out in the background. He's a can terrier, and it's
actually his garden, which is in the game.
Yeah.
So
and his squeaky toy, which you see the big purple thing that you get at the end of the game.
Since he's distracted, I could probably sneak it out.
You should ask me.
That's fine. I can do it. It's not sneaky.
Yeah.
Winky, look at Winky.
She looks funny.
So this is Morris's squeaky toy.
That is what's in the game.
Yeah.
And that's what the goal of the game is, to steal this.
Yeah. So hence why that was, if you saw earlier, we had a pink...
Purple.
Purple. Pink, purple are the same. Yeah, toy.
You and Morris must have something in common. Oh, your dog. Yeah, obviously these Kong toys, they have really good quality.
Yeah.
We bought this ages ago. I mean,
I think we bought it like 4 years ago and it still works.
And it still squeaks, but I'm not going to squeak it because then we have to play. We have to play. So we're not going to squeak it. We're going to add the squeak sound in the game though.
Yeah, we are, yeah.
Are we going to record that ourselves or maybe?
I'm not sure if we do. Maybe Morris has to be like,
I got to take him out for a trip while you do the sound recording.
Yeah, or the other way around. I just go out and, throw a ball with him or something and then he'll get distracted. So.
Yeah, because that's something this game really lacks at the moment. We have... how long have you been making the game? We've been working for a bit more than a week.
Yeah.
Week and 2 days?
Last Friday, I think it was.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a game jam, so it's very short duration. Been modeling all the assets except the dogs, as we mentioned earlier. And we need to have this finished quite soon.
Yeah, by this Friday.
So
the
that's
game jam ends on Sunday. Next Sunday, sorry. But we have to finish it next Friday.
So for those into game development, I really recommend My First Game Jam. They have a great Discord, lots of community going on, people to help, and lots of resources of how to start with game development, etc.
And it's all on itch.io as well, so everything's like on there, and then you can release it at the end, which is kind of cool.
So this game will be on itch for play and download. We're gonna have like probably pay what you want, get it for free.
I mean, it's going to be like super fast. I mean, if anybody has the skills I have, then it's going to go really, really fast, you know.
So just enjoy, play it, trying to make a nice atmosphere, learning how to like make different mechanics. That's what we set ourselves when we started game development this time. We're like, we want to make lots of small games, and each of those games should teach us something about game development. Hello, Moritz.
What is he up to?
He's making lots of sound.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure, this game is teaching us lots of different things, isn't it?
Yeah, we learned a lot about 3D modeling, making low poly.
Yeah.
And going back into Blender. Krister knows how to use Blender quite well, but I've never used it before, so there's Moritz. Hello, Moritz. So we've been learning that, and actually learning quite, simple mechanics for the game in general, and learning how to make stealth games as well, because we just don't know that.
No, so first stealth game. Gotta be first something, always.
Bye, Moritz.
He's a bit of a passerby. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a relatively short game. It has 5 levels. Have you my first stealth game? Do you mean that you haven't played any before, or haven't made any? A masking shader. It's tricky. I've been trying masking shaders because we have some other game ideas that need masking shaders as well, and man, they're tricky.
Yeah, they are.
Because you can get it working in some scenarios, but then they break apart under other conditions.
I got a reason.
Shaders are tricky, but I don't know if you tried out Unity's new shader graph. Makes things a lot more fun to work with, but it has still some limitations. I'm noticing, but you can do like custom functions.
Because you also made like a water shader and things like that for other games, right? Yeah.
Using the Unity stencil for it. When I was making that masking shader, I was testing everything, including stencils. But I also was trying to see if we could do it with shader graph, but I think you have to do some custom coding to get it working. You can, for example, see here, since we're talking about shader graph, this is made in shader graph.
Isn't it in the materials you had it?
Yeah.
This sort of arrow.
There is.
There you go.
So if I double click this one, it's going to open up. This is the shader for it. So it's very visual and fun to work with. We're starting with a square and a circle, and basically with those two we create this, and then I've UV'd that to add out like that, so you get that white circle and the faded circle, and just throw that into the alpha, and then whatever color we want on the shader into a little bit of emission, a little bit of albedo. And that's how that shader is made. It's quite simplistic in a way.
This reminds me a little bit of what do you call it? Yeah. I can't remember.
You can't remember?
No. What you use when you were like brainstorming things like that?
A nuke.
Yeah, nuke.
Yeah, lots of node-based visual effects program.
Oh, should I save that? Did you make any changes?
No, I mean,
okay.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah. I reduced the field of view.
I do in general, for everyone working with game dev, recommend to learn coding, but specializing in coding can't go wrong with that, really. But it's so many different things that we've been like modeling and
and then you got to make sure you have like sound and like
the game
UI, etc. Like everything really.
And earlier we were making the title for the game.
The logo. Yeah.
Should we just show that off, or should we try to put it in?
That's way too easy. We can do.
Yeah, why not?
I don't know whether I got
it. You have it put in the folder already.
I
Nice.
already have. So I was just tweaking this and I wasn't too happy with it.
So we're using Git source control for our project, and that makes it really easy for her to work on things and me to work on things, and then suddenly things are just appearing for both of us as we're working.
Yeah. As long as you remember to pull my changes.
Yes. So suddenly there's a new logo there I haven't seen.
Yeah, I think that's a bit better.
The new radius. That's going to be very easy to walk through though. Because I was thinking that the reason for their lack of vision was going to be the bushes. Not.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
I thought about that.
So
I'll leave it be.
moving the bushes a little bit, I think, is going to make that better.
Yeah.
But
Or add in more detail.
We can go to the intro scene and throw that in then.
Yeah. Spin a bit slow. Intro. Yeah, because I...
Press the 2D button, it might help.
Where's the 2D button? There. Did that even...
Click on canvas and press F in the hierarchy.
Okay. Press F. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Yeah, so because I got two of them. I got one with a glow and one without a glow.
Try whichever. I think you can drag it in. I don't know where to drag it in. I think you gotta create the UI element with an image or something.
I think so, yeah.
Oh, actually, if you click on it, there, it says like texture type default. That's probably supposed to be UI or something.
Most likely normal map. Yeah, 2D and UI.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be that, and then apply that.
Oh, yeah, there's an apply button.
What's up?
I was wondering what Mars was up to. It's super tiny! It's so tiny! It's not going up there. I guess I gotta resize
You gotta
it.
pull it into the canvas.
Oh, into the canvas itself. Okay. Yeah.
And you see we also have a main menu there. It's to make the scaling work properly.
Rah!
That's looking quite cool. It's behind the dog cam so nobody can see it.
Oh no!
But yeah,
To
pull
move.
it
like, there
into
you
the
go.
main menu hierarchy.
There you go.
Because then it will be anchored correctly, I think.
Like that. I still not seeing it. I just see this random thing here, which I assume is that.
Yeah, it's probably because... no, I have no idea. Why is this not appearing?
Yeah, because it is that item there.
Oh, that is weird.
That is weird. No canvas render.
Oh, because we have a sprite renderer probably. You might be right, Spoony VR. I'm not that familiar with Unity's canvas thing. Should we try to do it like that and then add UI image? That's probably...
that's probably
because now we have the canvas render. Thank you.
Yeah.
Somebody knows Unity is helping us out. Logo with glow is right there.
I didn't see it. There you go. I'll probably get rid of this one there then.
Alright, you made it into a little dog tag.
Yeah, I did, yeah. I mean,
Nice.
it's a dog tag.
Cool.
I guess am I like making it worse by doing this?
I just scale it up and place it. I think we need to move that moon a little bit.
No, it's like it's gonna hang from the moon. No, okay, maybe not. Or make it a bit smaller.
Let's not worry about the moon for now. Oh yeah.
There you go.
Should move the start down.
Oops.
It's not funny to move because we have to move the lots of... Just leave it for now.
Okay, I should make this smaller then. That's better.
Yeah.
There you go, Mission Squeak.
Maximize and play and let's see how that looks.
Mission Squeak.
Yeah. That was great. Perfect. Nailed it. We're done. We're gonna ship this. Okay, so this is what I mean by UI scaling. It's funky, but it's because the anchors are
These
set.
ones are Minimax.
Yeah. You haven't worked with the UI system.
No, I haven't. No.
You can do like this, so it's percentage based instead. Oops. Instead of pixel based. And we can... I'll clean up these numbers later, but I like to zero everything out. We'll leave for like that for now. And now that should scale much nicer.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
So there we go. Mission Squeak.
Yeah. But do we want to have it with the glow or without the glow?
I think the glow is fine.
Think so? Do I have the other one? I don't see it here.
Because you haven't turned it to the right texture type. Right.
Oh yeah, okay. I'll just put that one to that. Why? It's this one. Is someone making weird? Is it Winky making weird sounds?
Yeah, she's chewing a little
she's
stick.
chewing her little stick.
She's enjoying that way too much.
With or without glow? That's the question.
She's working hard on that.
Yeah.
Okay, with and without glow?
Yeah, I'm not sure with or without glow. I like it with the glow. We're gonna stick with glow.
I think the glow fits best because it's on the night sky and everything.
Yeah.
But it's nice to have without as well for other purposes.
Yeah.
So yeah, there we go.
Mission
Squeak. It's of a rather squeaky nature.
What is Squeak? Yes.
I loved your voiceover earlier.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to record that then, probably. Put it in.
We'll see.
Yeah.
That'll be fun. Oh, you know what?
What?
We had the stream request last time we haven't implemented.
What was that? The butterfly?
The butterfly.
Yeah, we should do that.
And
I need to model that first.
well, we can speed model a butterfly. Should we switch seats?
Yeah, you're faster at doing a...
I can model a butterfly.
Yeah, he's gonna model a butterfly then.
Okay, let's go.
Switching seats. Switching the driving seat.
Alright, I'll be the driver.
Brum, brum. I'm not that fast in Blender, so... I feel tiny now.
Yeah, I feel tall. This looks funny. our seats are different heights, and this is very evident right now. Oh well. I'll try to make myself a bit lower.
I'm super tiny.
Right, Blender. Let's see.
Okay.
So the request was that we wanted a butterfly at the end of the final level.
We could also have it flying around. But...
It was suggested to be a guard, but we skipped that part of it. That was a bit too crazy. So let's see here. If we go out of 2D mode, we want to place first model, then place. Let's get in here. Oi, oi, oi. A butterfly right on this bone. Okay, let's make a butterfly. This is a gate.
Yeah,
New file.
do not replace my gauge. That's for the game.
Let's just start by deleting stuff. Anybody here uses Blender? Let's see. Butterfly.
Me.
Should we
I'm super slow.
make it out of a cube? Let's start with a cube.
You need to make its wings first.
Yeah, let's... This is gonna be its butt. And here's gonna be its head.
Yeah. Head's normally a bit shorter though.
And I'm thinking...
That can be the wings and then you can
Yeah.
extrude them afterwards, yeah.
You know, I'm gonna mirror the model probably later.
Yeah, okay.
Scale in the x-axis. No.
Why? There you go! We got a butterfly!
Yeah, this would be great.
Just need to make it like a little bit bigger. There you go, yeah.
What is butterflies actually? Actually, I need some reference image. Like, what is that wing is supposed to be shaped like? So,
Butterfly. They look like that, Chris. They don't look blocky.
got a point. Do I need to add that many polygons?
That's low poly.
Should we go for like this type of shape?
I like the other ones. They are made of 4 parts, so the wings.
I would like this one is not.
I don't know.
I don't know. We're making it simplistic anyway. But yeah, it's clearly that it's more archy up there and then
So
down
beautiful.
like that.
Are we gonna make ours orange?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
was
think
thinking
so.
that. So yeah, this is not quite accurate. It's more like down on this side, isn't it? Or something.
I think just leave it the other way.
Leave it alone.
Yeah, thank you. That looks more like a butterfly.
Okay. I am struggling with the new Blender 2.8. I have no clue about this. Why is it like that? Can
I don't know. I've been struggling with it too.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, I want to ask our dear viewers what they think of the stream and if they have any feedback on what we can do better. And
Maybe get a taller chair for Claire so she doesn't fall down.
yeah. Let's see.
And also, you guys tell us what you guys are up to.
Yeah, I love hearing about it and chatting with people. It's really nice. I'm thinking that this butterfly needs to grow a head. Am I onto something here? I kinda doubt it. I feel like this butterfly is going atrocious.
I feel like you didn't need to have that left side, but sure, whatever.
Really?
We're fine.
Maybe we should pull its wings up a bit or something. Because it's just supposed to be static, right? We're not making it, oops, anything. Okay, I need to, there you go, that's
There you
hotkeys I'm looking for. There we go.
Stream is good, pretty much a butterfly.
Pretty much a butterfly, at least to the low poly standards we're going for. It's
Should probably use like Minecraft as reference or something.
yeah, I think you got a point there. You know what? I think that will do the trick. I'm gonna now go in and delete this side of him. I'm thinking. Let's see, delete faces, like so.
Now we have a hollow butterfly.
Yeah, it'll be a bit hollow. Maybe the hollow fly. Remember what we named the butterfly in Norwegian?
Smørflue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's fun when you directly translate words, and it just like turns out really funny.
Because in Norwegian it's called, or direct translation of it would be called summer fly. But we think that's a bit boring, so we directly translated butterfly into Norwegian, and that ended up being smørflue.
Right.
So if there's any Norwegians here, I'm sorry, I like making up some...
I prefer
Yes.
dragonfly though. Dragefrue. Okay, there we go. We have centered him. Now we can mirror him over. So...
Ooh, thank you for the follow,
Oh yeah,
Prensa Jaimo Whitey.
I'm gonna try.
Yeah, Chris is going to try.
Prensa Pachayamu YouTube. I don't know. Whitey. That's what I associate with Whitey.
Chris is normally the one that says all of the names because he always says funny. But you have to tell us how you say it.
Yeah, if
Yeah,
that was too
yeah.
atrocious. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, thanks for the follow. That was nice. Hope to see you around. So, where is the mirror? There it
I
is.
don't know, there.
Alright, and we're gonna mirror in the y-axis. Hey, we have a
We have
butterfly.
a butterfly.
And we're gonna... To me, it seems like a bumblebee. But, you know.
Well, it has two big, thin body, so it's a butterfly.
It's worthy. I have no idea. I'm just thinking that something doesn't feel right, but...
Is this a butterfly or a bumblebee? Discuss.
See, now this is butterfly shape. Just need to move its head a bit down again.
What reference are you using?
Hmm?
What reference are you using?
My head reference. Who needs, oops, needs reference? Need to just grab these verbs. Why am I doing it this way? Oh well.
I love how it still says that we're doing a twig mechanic. This is not a twig mechanic.
This is twig worthy. Yeah, that's a good point actually. We're not on twig. No. There we go. That's not a butterfly.
We'll roll with it. We'll roll with it.
Yeah.
Oh, what on earth are you making?
No, I'm just trying to make this wings a bit thinner towards the edge because I'm thinking it's a bit strange that. There we. Yeah, this is a butterfly. Should we round its head off a bit?
Yeah, probably.
You can round its body.
You can add antennas on it as well, maybe, and I'll make it more like a butterfly.
Oh yeah, we need antennas, don't we? Let's see now. Let's go
10
back to
hours
solid.
later.
Scale in Z. There we go. Ah, perfect. This one is becoming a masterpiece.
Minky's telling me that that's not a butterfly.
It looks like... Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's how it can go sometimes. We're gonna call this butterfly. There's room for improvement. But as for a starting point, that'll work. Right, we have to place this in then.
It's above there, probably.
There we have it. Our perfect butterfly. Let's see now. There's the... I'll place it in. Okay,
Prefab.
no.
You can't do that. You can't put it in the doghouse.
Okay, we gotta place it here then. Can you place it there? There we go. And... Whoa.
That is one big butterfly.
This-
That butterfly's going to come and eat that squeaky toy.
Yes.
Am I right?
We just gotta follow requests, and make sure that we deliver what we promised.
Is that going to pick up the bone? Yep.
The butterfly comes in and flies off with the bone. And that's, we can make it part of the story.
Are we making like a monster game or something?
We're not making Monster Hunter, we're making Butterfly Hunter. That will be our next game. There you go,
A
Claire.
butterfly hunter.
Yeah.
But what? That just sounds like you're going to be killing all the butterflies. That's not fair.
No, but they're like monstrous and large.
But then about that. No, I don't approve this game idea.
Okay. I think we have to
That's
model a
cute.
bit more cuter butterflies than this in the future.
Yeah, probably.
But for time being, this kind of works. I feel like he needs legs.
No, not really. No.
No?
He needs color. He's white right now.
Yeah, should we just make him yellow? Even
Yeah.
he should have different colors on his wings, etc.
Oh, I did make a color yellow for the doghouse.
Yeah, see here, we can just go yellow. No? Doghouse color.
I think it was called doghouse color. Oh no, I didn't. I did it in the original one. I made it. This is now blue.
Well, what about purple?
It's pink. That's pink, not purple.
Oh, yeah. Or should we go with magenta?
We've got to make it yellow or orange.
Butterfly.
Yeah, we should just name it orange or yellow or.
See, now we have butterfly color. There we go. We know occasionally what we're doing. That looks great.
Yeah.
The thing is, yellow, orange, and purple go really well together in terms of composition and coloring. So yeah, I think we really
Yeah.
got the strong theme going here.
I wonder what it looks like a butterfly though. We just need to make the wings flap.
Yeah. Does this approve as a butterfly if you see it?
It also looks like a bird. It's
We can place it like that, so it's kind of more facing towards
now
the
it looks
player.
like a bow.
You know what? Maybe that's what it is.
It's a butterfly bow.
It's a butterfly bow. Then it makes
Butterfly.
much more sense also, because why is the butterfly bow here? And we just place it like
Right there.
right there. Perfect. I think that's making more sense then. Maybe scale it a bit down?
Yeah, a little bit down.
A little bit down?
Yeah.
Also, what's bothering me about this scene is these three dogs. They just
Yeah.
kind of stand there and just bark at you. No, they don't
They
bark.
don't bark. They just turn their heads like.
They run their idle animation and all in sync, like choreographed.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit weird, isn't it? But the butterfly's in there now.
Yeah.
The butterfly boat. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do with those three dogs.
See. Listen to your wife. Yeah. Totally agree.
You're right. Always need to. I have something to learn here. I never get wise enough when it comes to listening to my wife. Wife enough? Wise enough. But I'm wondering, like, should we add a light behind them or something?
That just seemed. Oh no, maybe you could reactivate that red ominous light we had.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm doing this in play mode, but wait a second. I moved two lights at the same time here. Oy, 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 I'm struggling.
See, this is why I help you control the Unity.
Mm-hmm. So you're suggesting a red light here?
Yes, it's gonna be ominous. That had like no effect.
That had very little effect. I wonder if...
Dun
Whoa!
dun dun!
Well, that was kind of cool.
I think it might be a little bit OTT, but yeah. Is this over the top or not?
Well, it's a final scene. It can be as over the top as it wants to be, with a sparkling bow and choreographed dogs. I mean, what could go wrong here? I kind of like that lighting. I
Yeah,
mean,
it looks like it's a disco, because they're all choreographed together, It's like a disco scene. Oh gosh, no.
and now we just need to get our musicians to do some dance music with it.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
We actually have a really cool soundtrack for this game. That we have a friend of us working with it.
Yeah.
I can't play it off right now because I haven't set up our stream to support or desktop
Audio,
audio.
yeah.
Or maybe we can. I think I can.
I don't think we've set it up though yet.
I think I can. I'm gonna try. Let's see. Question is, do I have it?
I'm not sure.
I think it's in my Discord or something. Well,
We can turn it on.
then it won't be happening. I don't have the file lying around.
But you need to save this out because you're in play mode.
Yeah, I am. But are we happy with the positioning of this? Like, do we want it like that?
Yeah, I mean, we could also throw in a disco ball.
Disco ball. Well, with a glittering thing, yeah. Yeah. You don't really see the dogs. They're kind of black, though.
Well, that's because they are.
Yeah, but when we moved it closer,
You could see them.
you see it a bit differently. I don't know.
They look more ominous.
Yeah.
They
That's
look
probably
more
better.
like disco dogs.
Okay, can we like copy this entire thing
No idea.
and then paste it? Let's just paste it into the world here. Paste. Yes.
That worked? Yes, that
worked.
worked.
Okay, we have a
So now
butterfly
we have
and a
the
world.
disco lights. We have the dancing dogs,
Yep.
the squeaky bone toy, the butterfly.
And we need
We're just missing the disco ball, right?
we need the thanks for playing back here though, because
Yeah,
this
we
is
do,
the
yeah.
final cutscene. But should we have that maybe afterwards, or like what should happen here? Like how should the game end?
All the dogs start dancing, right?
It's the only logical approach. I'm gonna listen to my wife on this one.
We're having a disco ball.
I might not be implementing that, sorry.
Oh. I'll implement it when you're not looking.
That's one of the dangers of using Git. Suddenly,
I can sneak in and make a disco ball. And then he's never going to figure it out because he won't finish the game.
I was thinking about, yeah, I think I'm going to copy him from the other scene, like the title and stuff. But we should do that another time, maybe.
Yeah. I think the disco ball would be very GIF worthy.
Got a
Yeah,
point.
exactly, yeah.
But I'm not sure how to go about making a disco ball.
I'll make a disco ball. Isosphere on, what do you call it?
Iconosphere.
Iconosphere, or whatever it's called in Blender. That's a disco ball.
Yeah, but then like, are you gonna put lots of light and shining things on it? And but then like, the lighting is gonna start breaking down when you add too many lights. I'm not trying to spoil the party. I'm just saying it's complicated.
You are spoiling the party. I mean, come on.
Well, I can probably do it a point light or something.
Yeah.
It's like, but we already have the lighting, don't we?
Yeah.
Just need a sparkly ball. And I mean, how sparkly isn't this toy already?
I mean, it's like Sparkle Deluxe.
I really like the
Sparkle.
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 More particle effects.
More particle effects. More sparkle.
Yeah.
More choreographed dogs.
Yep.
Maybe we should use the intro scene with just dancing dogs in the background.
I'm not sure how that's gonna play out.
It's gonna play out great.
Let's open the intro. It starts off very like,
Ominous.
yeah, and like quiet in a way.
Yes.
Probably in the beginning.
And at the end, everyone's gonna party. Can you win the game, Krister? Because I managed to earlier.
Well, we just had to play test a bit. Look how cool the raycasting is on him.
Oh, there was a gap in the hedge there.
What?
Whoops. Yeah. You're gonna get caught by him. It's on the left.
Ah! Whoa, I escaped the world. See, I beat the level.
Created an Easter egg.
Okay, we need to fix that gap. Are you noting it down?
Yeah, I know it isn't down.
Yeah. Also, some of the bushes there were too far up in the air. We're gonna trigger that. He leaves. Okay, he's hanging out. Yeah, I think this is working quite well.
You're totally gonna step on them. There you go. There is the test list.
No shit. Whoa. Did it not trigger? This aggro error does not work, Claire. Yeah. He only detects on the front and not on the back.
Yeah, okay, that's not good.
We have a bug that needs fixings.
A bug.
Let's see now. Guard movement. No. Guard field of view.
What was the other bug? mentioned about. Oh yeah, gap in the hedges.
Gap in hedges. Let's see.
Oops. Level 1.
Where is that thing?
Oh, what was the other bug?
So this is the detection circle. Yeah, this is the bug for the we can just note this down. I'm not sure if we'll be able to fix it. But
Bug.
detection circle not detecting player. The inner circle, that is, not the outer circle. So I'm not sure what's wrong with this one, because it has the spear collider trigger, etc. On trigger enter. Yeah, I think the bug is somewhere here. We can debug that later, but now we have it noted down. And yeah, I think we're gonna call it there. We've done pretty well though. We got the twig working, which was the goal for today, and it still says on our stream that we're still working on that.
Yeah.
And we got butterfly into the game.
Butterfly, yeah, we did, yeah.
We also tweaked lots of the levels.
Yep.
And we also tweaked the aggro radiuses. And the entire game is playable from start to finish.
Yep.
But we have lots of level polish to do.
Yeah, because right now the levels look a bit meh.
Yeah, they kind of do.
In comparison to the intro scene.
Interesting, yeah. I also have a lot of nice detail in it, doesn't it? And this gate doesn't get featured much in the game, but that's okay.
It was a nice gate as well.
I know, you kind of don't see it as you start level 1 is behind you.
My gate.
Because I'm wondering, like, maybe something to consider after playtesting is if we need a way to change the camera angle for you to get an overview of the level.
Yeah, that's true. But I think it's also fun to just make mistakes as well.
Yeah.
Unlike me, I just like go on.
But guys, be sure to follow us on Twitter and maybe YouTube. And we're going to be probably posting out some builds of this game.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow even, so you can try it out and give us feedback. We would love to hear you say like, hey, this is trash, or maybe constructive. It's also nice.
Constructive, criticism. It's nice, then it's trash. Don't listen to Krista's advice.
But how we can make this better, and also about the stream, or would love to get to know you. So
we're on Twitter, so just connect with us there, and
it's been really nice hanging out with you and doing our little stream today.
And I hope you've enjoyed Winky eating her mummy. Well, what's it even called? Tigabinla.
Chewing stick.
Chewing stick, yeah.
Yeah, she's still at it.
She hasn't even finished half of it, so yeah.
Yeah. No worries, Spoony VR.
You have a good day too.
Glad you could enjoy the stream and join us with the doggy cam.
Yep.
So we're gonna go and make some dinner now and call this a good work session.
Yep.
It's been good pair programming. And thanks for a follow. Did I see that? No? No, it was not a follow. I missaw something. I thought I saw something. Forget it.
You imagined follow. Oh yeah, you did follow, see? Thank you for the follow, Spoony VR.
I was just a bit early on it.
Winky also says, thank you for the follow.
Yeah. Right. We'll see you around. We're going to be here on Wednesday.
Yeah, next Wednesday, yeah.
Yep. And then we're taking a break next Sunday and next Wednesday, but we'll be back again after a week off.
Yep.
So until then, see you around, and thanks for joining our stream. I'm going to switch over to the doggo cam now for a few minutes, and then we're going to call it off.
Yeah, have a good evening, everybody. I'm waving the wrong way.
Yep.
Yeah, there you go.
We switched space. This is complicated. Right. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Starting soon, it says.
Yeah, we'll switch it over to the... turn that off. Should I edit that to say thanks for watching?
Yeah.
Copy that maybe. Right, thanks for watching.